if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares.
Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of fashion and body positivity with a spotlight on the stunning Luisana Angeles, a plus-size, curvy model who's taking the industry by storm. Luisana Angeles is an inspiring figure in the modeling world, known for embracing her curves and promoting self-love. She's a confident and charismatic presence, making waves on social media with her authentic content. While details about her exact birth date remain private, Luisana's impact on the fashion scene is undeniable. Luisana lives a vibrant lifestyle, balancing her modeling career with a passion for travel, fitness, and fashion. She's a strong advocate for body positivity and mental health, often sharing motivational messages with her followers. Her content is a blend of glamorous photo shoots, daily life snippets, and empowering quotes that resonate with her audience. On Instagram, Luisana has amassed a significant following where she regularly posts her latest photo shoots, fashion tips, and candid moments. Her feed is a celebration of curves, showcasing that beauty comes in all shapes and sizes. If you're looking for inspiration and a daily dose of positivity, Luisana's Instagram is the place to be. That's all for today's spotlight on Luisana Angeles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on the most inspiring figures in the modeling industry. See you in the next video.